what does a hybrid Amazon PPC model look like and why does it work better? Top of mind right now, what I'm assuming you're asking about, a hybrid model would be where you do optimizations with the help of a tool and also with manual human adjustments. That is something that we would do when it comes down to hybrid model. That's the first thing. And why does it work better? I don't believe it works better. I have friends and colleagues who have their own software and they are doing amazing job at it, and this is not against whatever they are doing because they are maximizing lot efficiency. This is simply how we operate in Scaleway. We created our own in-house tools that are technically a hybrid model, but not AI execution, is we are still going to be executing with macros and with formulas. Still, it's helped by AI because we put all these tools together with the coding and so on and GPT and so on, but it's human decision. So it's not going to be an automation software decision, but it's going to be our own decision.